Good morning. I'm back in my van and back in this electrical box because I have been picked up for not wiring these up properly. So I'm just going to do an update on this, and I've just got to say thank you very much to Mike. It was the first one that commented, and one man and one van and his dog. One van and his dog who's corrected me as well. I've been getting a few messages through, so I'm back in my box. But it's really just in the last couple of minutes while I've been here doing this, Mike's just sent me another message, so thank you, Michael, for sending that. I've literally had to sit down a little bit this morning and and basically, guys, look, I've just come up with a real simple diagram because I've got to make it really simple. My brain is not working like I did sort of like 20 years ago. It's a little bit addled. So basically I've made this little drawing to make it as simple. So I've literally got my posts on this bit of paper. There's the negative, there's the positive, as you guys have correctly instructed me. Obviously this is off to the van, and then the link wires, it can be a little bit, you've just got to literally, so the positive on this battery then is running up to there. Obviously they've got the red tape on there, you can just see that, so it can be a little bit, yeah. And I got them in series, and they should be actually in parallel, but I hope that I could sort of, yeah, it was kind of like, oh my God, I got to sort this out. So there we are. Anyway, I've reconnected them without even sort of like turning the battery or anything. Just got to make sure these posts, and obviously the, so yeah, I do 24 volts, and we have similar arrangement to this, but we have like a link wire in between. So I'm a little bit paranoid when it comes to connect up batteries. Got to be ultra careful what you're doing. Always the big post is always the positive. Just some of my little observations, and obviously the negative post is the smaller one of the two. But you've literally got to keep focused. So yeah, thanks guys for sorting me out on that. I just needed to get this correctly, and I'm just going to we'll just chuck out this as like a little update video of with my simple map. Yeah, which I probably should have done last night, and yeah, but anyway, no big deal, no, you know, there's no issues. You're always sort of like, oh my God, I hope I don't damage anything, but there's no damage to be done here. It's just that little modification. Thanks guys for picking up on it. I'll catch you soon.